car meet. It's one that somebody posted a while back and I've been wanting to go. What I heard so far is that they make some cool events. Like we're rolling out somewhere. They said like it was around some forest area. Shoot a couple of rollers and to show you what's out here right now. Yeah, everybody's about to bounce right now. Everybody's in their cars just waiting. I'll tell you right now, this is like a professional car meet. Everybody got abs. Everybody has, it's like the first time out and about. I like this. It's cool. Guys, I haven't cleaned the truck yet. Yesterday I tuned it. Finally, I'm cleaning it today just to let y'all know. I know it's all dirty at a car meet. Oh well. That's the ultimate sleeper look. All right, so we're gonna go all the way to Conroe. Guys, so I wasted a lot of gas. We're coming all the way to Conroe and there was a big accident up there. It wasn't in our group, but there's a big accident a long way out there. So everybody's literally trying to get out of here, just, you know, screw it, right? I'm gonna f up my baling, all my plastics, they're gone. I'm gonna go through it. Hit the bottom. Hit the bottom already. Hit the bottom of the truck. Woo. Look, Mustang going out from the wild. Oh look, finally we found the groove. Lamborghini and everything. Go bro, go. Alright, my job is done. Just helping the crew out. I'm not even in this crew. swear I'm the only guy out here. Oh, DE Motorsports, cool. I'm the only guy out here with a truck. I had to go pump 93. Look, I'm back with the group. I had to go pump 93. It took me a while to get back with them. But no more E85. Oh, state trooper. We're just cruising. It's like an hour drive. We're going all around Lake Conroe. It's pretty lit, actually. Never done this kind of thing before, so I'm pretty excited. There's everybody. Back out. Ooh, it's hot. It's a good day though. First, yesterday getting it boosted, and today legit just coming to my first car meet that has a lot of fast cars, exotic shit. Shout out to the homie taking them badass pictures. Bro, I had to drop the camera because everybody was going fast. You literally, I'm glad that I boosted the truck yesterday because I don't think I was gonna catch up. So I boosted it and they were like going, like it was literally like loo. And because my truck is more modern, you know, with the traction control and everything, and it, I feel like it helped me out a lot. I don't think you can make it. Like it's hard. It's hard to like maneuver. Like I literally had to like but this is badass. I never thought I was gonna do this. I never even knew Texas had this. I never explored as much, but this is awesome. Guys, we already got here. They're already rolling up. Everybody's coming through. Hopefully you guys can hear me a little bit better. He's a YouTuber too with the McLaren. They tried to leave the little turbo V6, but they couldn't. I just kept spinning. If they were leaving me, I was spinning.
But I mean, I'm 19.
Damn.
Oh yeah, I'm getting my degrees. 15 years, 7 hours a week. Oh hey man, all respect. It means more when you work for it. It means more. So I mean.
So we're gonna go. Everybody's gonna go out to eat some Mr. Burgers. So we're going through this little old town. It's pretty cool. Actually, love this car meet. This is the first time. I am so glad I boosted it yesterday. I'm gonna state it again. Guys, on a serious note, you can do whatever you want in life, but sometimes when you do what you want to do in life and you're going through steps and the hard struggles, some random things might come your way. I never knew this. I put the turbo. I didn't know I was gonna go here. I got to meet new people and everything. Do something. You just gotta find your place in life. Guys, this is the end of the video, so like and subscribe, turn the bell notification on, and we'll see you on the next video. Become part of the legacy, and we'll see you on the next. Damn. I got it on video. Oh, money. It's money. Can I use this to pay for my food?